We just discovered that REM sleep is when the brain comes roaring back to life and stages its most vivid dreams. So let's ask the question humans have asked forever. What are dreams and what do they mean? Psychology offers several answers, and they don't fully agree. The oldest psychological theory is Freud's. He argued dreams are the disguised expression of unconscious wishes, that the strange story you remember, the manifest content, is a coded version of hidden desires, the latent content. It's a captivating idea, but it's extremely hard to test, and most researchers today don't accept it as it stands. A more biological account is the activation synthesis theory. It proposes that during REM sleep, the brainstem fires off essentially random bursts of activity, and the higher brain, which is built to make sense of things, weaves those random signals into a story. On this view, dreams start as neural noise that the brain narrates into a plot, which fits their often bizarre, disjointed quality. A third view, the information processing theory, holds that dreaming helps consolidate memories and work through the day's emotional residue, sorting, filing, and integrating experience. These theories aren't entirely exclusive, and the honest summary is that dreaming probably serves more than one function. Now, sometimes sleep goes wrong, and sleep disorders are common and consequential. Insomnia, persistent trouble falling or staying asleep, is the most widespread, and it feeds a vicious cycle because anxiety about not sleeping makes sleep even harder. Narcolepsy is a striking disorder in which a person suddenly falls into sleep, sometimes straight into REM, at inappropriate times, occasionally collapsing as the REM paralysis strikes while they're awake. Sleep apnea involves repeatedly stopping breathing during the night, jolting the body awake again and again, often without the person remembering. And it's dangerous, draining oxygen and shattering sleep quality. Then there are the parasomnias, which mostly emerge from deep non-REM sleep, sleepwalking, and night terrors, which is why they happen early in the night and why the person typically doesn't remember them. Notice these line up with the architecture we just learned. Sleepwalking comes from deep sleep, when the body isn't paralyzed. Nightmares come from REM, when the mind is most vividly active. Sleep, then, is a finely tuned system, and when it breaks, daytime life suffers. But sleep isn't the only way humans alter consciousness. Throughout history, people have reached for substances to change their state of mind, and those substances act on the very brain chemistry we studied earlier. That's where we turn next.